Welcome to John Kleis Car Audio's YouTube channel again. Today's little video is about a Alfa Brera 2006, the lovely V6 edition, which obviously is clearly an appreciating example now. There's not many of these about. However, the factory navigation was not cutting the mustard, so we needed to change it, bring it up to date. And we've installed a Kenwood unit in this. They fit really well in these cars. With the flush fit fascia and the angle of the dashboard, it angles towards you, which means you get a great view when driving. Now let's turn it on and actually show you what this finish looks like. Put the key in, it'll automatically come up. Alfa logo is going to come up because we've uploaded that ourselves. Ignore the dash cam talking, that's at the top. We also installed dash cam in this vehicle as well. Subtle install of that and all. Now when we do these installations, steering wheel controls will all work as well. And if you might have read nightmares about the flashing clock, that does not happen either. The clock will stay as it is without flashing, no mileometer flashing or anything. So, starting from the top, we have wireless Apple CarPlay. My phone is automatically connected, so I touch that, we have Apple CarPlay on the screen. Now the customer's got access to Apple Maps, Google Maps, Waze, and even TomTom. Yes, TomTom. Music apps as well, like Spotify, Apple Music will work, as well as my apps like Tidal. So I actually use Tidal now, so now I can go through my recents, my home, explore new music. I can then go to Maps and actually just put a route in and go straight home. Really easy to use once you've got Apple CarPlay. If you haven't already had it, it is a game changer. It's been out for over 10 years now, but every man and his dog wants this feature now. Does support wireless Android Auto as well. You can put a reverse camera on this. That's why there is a camera button there. You can actually put two cameras on this, front and rear. The rear camera will automatically come on in reverse, which is a real nice feature. We have DAB radio, so if I select DAB now, you've got your favorites on the right. So literally you can easily scroll through your favorite preset stations, or the way of going through DAB is as simply as push the magnifying glass and you can just scroll through. I mean, I don't want to get no copyright strikes. You can literally scroll through all your stations in alphabetical order, simple like that. And then when you've chosen the one you want, for example, GB News, you would then just push and hold one to store it until it beeps. Simple as that. It's a great unit. It's the DMX8021. You get not one, not two, but 3 year, can't even use my fingers. 3 year warranty with this one, not two, 3 year warranty. Extremely easy to use, capacitive touchscreen, so really responsive. If you notice you've got HDMI in, you can also put HDMI somewhere, meaning you can put an Amazon Fire Stick on it should you wish to. Great unit, flush fitted, steering wheel controls all work. And that is it. This is an Alfa Brera 2006. That's a Kenwood DMX8021. This is a Connor. We'll see you soon.